The aviation industry, a marvel of modern engineering and a cornerstone of global connectivity, has seen significant contributions from both European and American manufacturers. The differences between European and US airplanes extend beyond mere geographical origins. They reflect distinct design philosophies, regulatory environments, and market demands. This essay delves into these differences, exploring how historical context, corporate strategies, technological innovations, and cultural factors have shaped the unique characteristics of European and US airplanes. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. One of the most prominent players in the European aviation market is Airbus, headquartered in Toulouse, France. Airbus was established in 1970 as a consortium of European aerospace companies aiming to compete with the dominant American manufacturers, primarily Boeing. The formation of Airbus was driven by a vision of cooperation and integration within Europe, leveraging the diverse expertise of various nations. This collaborative spirit is evident in Airbus's approach to airplane design and manufacturing, where different parts of an aircraft are built in various countries and then assembled at a central location. For instance, the wings of Airbus planes are often produced in the United Kingdom, the fuselage in Germany, and the final assembly takes place in France or Germany. In contrast, Boeing, the largest US airplane manufacturer, has a more centralized approach to production, with significant operations in the United States, particularly in Washington State and South Carolina. Boeing's history dates back to 1916, and its development has been closely tied to the growth of commercial aviation in the United States. The company's strategy has historically emphasized innovation, speed, and efficiency, often pushing the boundaries of technology. Boeing's centralized model allows for tighter control over the production process, which can lead to faster decision-making and implementation of new technologies. One significant difference between European and US airplanes is their approach to innovation and technology. Airbus is known for its pioneering use of advanced materials and manufacturing techniques. For instance, the Airbus A350XWB, a long-range, wide-body aircraft, extensively uses carbon fiber reinforced polymer in its structure, making it lighter and more fuel-efficient. Airbus also emphasizes the importance of cockpit commonality across its fleet, meaning that pilots can easily transition from one Airbus model to another with minimal additional training. This philosophy not only improves operational efficiency for airlines but also enhances safety by reducing pilot error. Boeing, on the other hand, has a strong legacy of groundbreaking innovations in aerodynamics and propulsion. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, introduced in 2011, is a testament to this, featuring significant advancements in engine technology, aerodynamics, and passenger comfort. The Dreamliner uses a large amount of composite materials, similar to the A350, but Boeing's focus on fuel efficiency and range capabilities has set new standards in the industry. Boeing also has a reputation for developing iconic aircraft like the 747, known as the Queen of the Skies, which revolutionized long-haul travel with its unprecedented capacity and range. Safety and regulatory compliance are critical aspects of airplane manufacturing, and here too, there are notable differences between Europe and the United States. The European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, oversees the certification and regulation of aircraft in Europe, while the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, performs a similar role in the United States. EASA and FAA regulations often differ in their specifics, influencing how airplanes are designed and certified in their respective regions. For example, EASA has stringent noise regulations, which have driven European manufacturers to prioritize quieter engine technologies. This focus is evident in the Airbus A320neo, which features new, quieter engines compared to its predecessors. In the US, the FAA has traditionally been more focused on performance and operational efficiency. This regulatory environment has encouraged Boeing to develop aircraft with superior range and speed capabilities. However, the FAA's regulatory approach has faced scrutiny, particularly following the Boeing 737 MAX incidents, which led to a global grounding of the aircraft. The subsequent investigations highlighted differences in safety oversight and certification processes between the FAA and EASA, prompting calls for closer alignment and stricter safety protocols. The market strategies of Airbus and Boeing also reflect their regional differences. Airbus has strategically positioned itself to cater to the global market, with a particular focus on Europe and Asia. The company has made significant inroads in Asia, a rapidly growing market for aviation, by establishing strong partnerships and localized production facilities. Airbus's wide-body aircraft, such as the A330 and A350, are particularly popular in Asia due to their efficiency on long-haul routes. Furthermore, Airbus's A320 family has become a favorite among low-cost carriers worldwide, thanks to its reliability and lower operating costs. Boeing, while also a global player, has a stronghold in the North American market. The company's narrow-body 737 series dominates U.S. domestic routes, favored by major airlines like Southwest, American, and United. Boeing's market strategy has often focused on building strong relationships with major U.S. airlines and leveraging its extensive service and support network. Additionally, Boeing's defense and space divisions provide a diversified revenue stream, making it less dependent on commercial aviation alone. Cultural factors also play a role in the differences between European and U.S. airplanes. European manufacturers like Airbus often emphasize passenger comfort and environmental sustainability. This focus is evident in the design of Airbus cabins, which tend to offer wider seats and more spacious interiors. The A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, is a prime example of this philosophy, designed to provide a luxurious travel experience with features like onboard lounges and bars. In contrast, U.S. manufacturers have traditionally prioritized performance and operational efficiency. While Boeing aircraft are also designed with passenger comfort in mind, there is a stronger emphasis on maximizing seating capacity and minimizing operating costs. This approach is well suited to the highly competitive U.S. domestic market, where airlines operate on thin margins and prioritize cost efficiency. The regional differences in airline preferences further highlight the distinctions between European and U.S. airplanes. European airlines such as Lufthansa, Air France, and British Airways have historically favored Airbus aircraft, aligning with the manufacturer's emphasis on comfort and efficiency. These airlines often operate extensive international networks, where the capabilities of Airbus's wide-body aircraft shine. On the other hand, major U.S. carriers like Delta, American, and United Airlines have traditionally leaned towards Boeing, reflecting the manufacturer's strong presence and support network in the United States. The competitive landscape between Airbus and Boeing has also driven significant advancements in airplane technology and design. The rivalry has led to a continuous cycle of innovation, with each manufacturer striving to outdo the other. For instance, the introduction of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner prompted Airbus to accelerate the development of the A350XWB, leading to advancements in fuel efficiency, passenger comfort, and environmental performance. Similarly, Boeing's response to the A320neo came in the form of the 737 MAX, although it faced significant challenges and setbacks. The environmental impact of aviation is another area where European and U.S. airplanes show differences. Europe has been at the forefront of environmental regulations, pushing for greener and more sustainable aviation practices. Airbus has embraced this challenge, incorporating eco-friendly technologies into its aircraft. The A320neo and A350XWB feature engines that significantly reduce CO2 emissions and noise pollution. Airbus is also actively involved in research and development of alternative fuels and hybrid electric propulsion systems, aiming to lead the industry towards a more sustainable future. In the United States, while environmental concerns are gaining more attention, the focus has traditionally been on performance and economic factors. Boeing has made strides in improving the fuel efficiency of its aircraft, but the regulatory push for greener aviation is not as pronounced as in Europe. However, with increasing awareness and regulatory pressure, Boeing is also investing in sustainable technologies and exploring the potential of electric and hydrogen-powered aircraft. The future of aviation will likely see even greater convergence and collaboration between European and U.S. manufacturers. The challenges posed by climate change, evolving passenger expectations, and the need for operational efficiency will drive both Airbus and Boeing to innovate further. Emerging players from other regions, such as China's Comac and Russia's United Aircraft Corporation, are also entering the competitive landscape, adding new dynamics to the global aviation industry. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your comments below and tell us, do you prefer European or US airplanes? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.